So hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So when most people ask to look slimmer, they aren't just talking about their body, so they often be including the face that carries weight visually in photos. A moon face or puffy cheeks can make anyone feel uncomfortable in a selfie, even if they are actually thin. So FaceApp offers a robust slim feature that specifically targets the jaw, cheeks, and neck to create a more contoured look. According to a user review on the App Store, the app allows you to go into complete detail with cheekbone structure, jawline, similar face, saying that other apps just don't compare to Facebook's realism. So in this guide, I will move beyond the general waist slider and show you the specific reshaping tools that give you a shifted, similar facial profile. So let's get straight into it. First and first, you can use the same face reshape option. You can easily go to face reshape or beauty. Select the same function. This will automatically detect the edges of your face. Drag the slider to the right, then you should see your jawline tighten and your cheeks lift slightly. Then start with a value of like 20 to 30 to keep it realistic. Then manually define the jawline. If the auto slim tool isn't enough, go back to the general reshape or liquefy tool. Use a medium brush size, place your finger on the jawline and gently push inward to remove a double chin, or basically a softened square jaw. You can do this, I would say, symmetrically on both sides. Then you can easily lengthen the neck and chin if you want to. Make sure to use the contour tool for shadowing. To lock in the same effect, go to makeup, select the contour, add a dark powder to the hollows of the cheeks and along the jawline. This would add a 2D depth to 3D transformation, making the similar shape look permanent. So basically that's the whole idea. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.